Yo, what is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. It's my first day back at the lot. As y'all know, I had surgery a month ago, but we're back. We got the 150, we got some homies in the back, and today's gonna be fun. So let's get into it. Give them some work, bro.
Alright, man. Let me
Give them that work, the stand-up work. They want to see all that shit, bro.
That stand-up work is gonna take its time. I ain't gonna lie.
And then we got the boy on the 150.
On the 150, man. Man, she's a banger, bro.
There's nothing like a 150, bro.
Yo, this joint is so beautiful, bro. This joint hit perfect.
Yeah, let's go. So yeah, we're gonna have some fun today, shred. It's gonna be a good time. Let's get it. So yeah, I just had surgery 5 weeks ago on my abdominal. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post it in the link below or description. But yeah, today's our first day back on the 150. Here's the homie, bro, with that green 250, dog. Kawasaki lifestyle. Yes, sir. Yeah, you're getting that. Oh, he getting comfy. Oh, you getting comfy with it, bro.
That's what I just learned. I can't turn. How do y'all turn so good?
Bro, but you're way better since last time I seen you. Like, you're dropping back and shit. Like, you about to...
Yeah, straight too.
Yeah, you're so close. I was like, damn.
Sometimes I barely will like make the turn. Like I'll make the turn, but like I can't like try to make it go back straight too sometimes.
Yeah, it's sort of like,
Yeah,
I don't know, try to watch what I do. I don't know. Trying to teach homie how to hit some turns. You got it a little bit. There it is. Oh my god, dude. You came in so close. You came in so close. You was close, bro. You're like, were you in between? He was close. Yeah, you got that. Yo, he pulled up so aggressive, bro. Hey, you pulled up so aggressive. I was like, oh. No, yeah. That's yours? You sold it? Damn. And you went straight to a 450? Oh, Lord.
It feels better though. It's comfortable. It's smooth.
Yeah.
To, like,
a lot lighter.
Yeah.
So.
A lot lighter.
Damn, you got the legit graphics. You trying to sell it to me?
Huh?
You trying to sell me the graphics? Y'all remember this KX250? If you don't, me and Zach Goes rode it and it started leaking hella oil. But I see you got that new bottle, bro. Homie said I gotta have a green bottle to match the bike.
I did say that at first. I was like, I don't want no other color.
Hell yeah. Let me see. I can't believe you got the pump right here, bro. The YZ cool? Alright, bro. We're on the freaking 2019 YZ 125. Bro, the new YZs, they just hit so much better. It's crazy. It's so smooth. Yo, that 2-stroke is so smooth. It feels like a 4-stroke almost.
He don't got a lot of compression. He still got to reveal the top end.
Ah, bro, because like I was doing a stand-up and it almost felt like a 4-stroke. I was like, whoa.
Oh, you talking about suspension and shit, right?
No, the way it hits. It's smooth. Bro, that 2022, let's go. Yes, bro, look how clean that bike is, bro. Dude, the blue rims, I need them blue rims. Oh, you're going risky, bro. Oh my god. I'll just do one lap. I just want to feel it out.
You can like how she feels. My first time on a fucking.
Yeah, be careful on it. Alright, I'm letting homie ride my 150. I wanted to get a freaking 450. This is an RX. So this is, hey! This is the trail version of the 450? Okay, okay.
Oh, yeah. She torquey as hell.
No, yeah, but she's smooth, like a good, like it's smooth, like a smooth torque.
Yeah.
I like it. Yes, sir. That's the best 150. That's what he said. Let's go. The boy coming in. Let's go, everyone. Let's see that work. On that KX 450. Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh, I'm about topped out on my Y50, on my 150. But yo, homie's killing it, dude. Let's go. What shirt is that?
The Sig.
Sig. Ah, it's dope. I like the back. What is RBLO?
Real bike life only.
Real bike. Ah. No, I seen that. Never panic. F12. Look at that quad coming in, bro. I'm so excited to be back, bro. Like, I've missed this, bro. Let's go. You got the wheels on the back?
Yeah, I put them on.
So you could, can you go like 12 o'clock and just like roll forever?
I don't.
It's hard. That quad light, brother. You already know. That Raptor 700R. Oh, he's going slow on it. Boyfriend and girlfriend dirt bike battle, bro. That's a good title. Let's see it on the 450, bro. Let's go, bro. That's like, she's killing it though. Because before she was on a DRZ, and now she's on a 450. So, it's vibes, bro. Here comes the boyfriend in the back. Yes, sir. They got a YouTube. It's like M2 Moto, something like that. I don't know exactly. What's your YouTube? M2 or something? Moto?
Mr. Tumoto.
Mr. Tumoto. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was my first day flipping back at the lot, and I am beyond stoked. Like, it was such a good time. Remember to stay motivated with merch in the description down below. We back, we lit. Till next time, peace.